Good morning. Thanks for tuning in to another riveting episode of Tech Talk Tuesday. My name is Brian Mursky, and I am the owner of Veranda Technologies. We're here in Brick Township, and we service Monmouth, Ocean, and the surrounding New Jersey counties. So we're going to get right into it this morning. We're expecting some weather. I know we are going to be busier. Our customers are going to be busier. There's actually a good chance that many of the people that would ordinarily watch our videos won't be able to get into their offices tomorrow. So we'll race through this one a little bit. But it's a website I've wanted to cover for a while, and it should keep the video brief, so we'll dive right in. There is a website that we use as a managed service provider, an IT provider, that we pay for. We pay a few $100s a month for software like this. The software doesn't cost you anything. We could actually use a free version, but with the paid version we get some additional features like scripting, back-end automation that we can deploy because we have 300 machines in our under our watch. For you, it's free, and so the site is Nightlight, N-I-N-I-T-E. It's actually pronounced Nightlight. If you've seen it before and you've pronounced it Ninite, you're wrong, and they explain that on their website. They actually have under help there is a learn how Nightlight is pronounced, and they tell you it's Nightlight, not Ninite, and how they came up with that name, which we're not going to get into. But what the site is basically is a list of all of the free common software that you would download on the internet. So your Dropbox and OneDrive and installers like that, your PDF writers, Google Earth, Chrome and Firefox browsers, Java, Silverlight, Air, everything on the internet that's free that you've gone out and tried to download before at no cost, and some neat utilities, a couple really neat utilities, and they compile it on one page. So I know on my computer I have Chrome, I have Firefox, I have, let me pull up this window here, I have Chrome, Firefox, I have Malwarebytes, Qt PDF, Java, .NET, Silverlight, Air, Shockwave. Right, and I have a bunch of others, but we'll skip them for now. Oh, and Google Earth. So I go down to Get Your Nightlight, and we click on that, and it compiles an installer for everything that you've checked. So you check off everything on that page first, and it builds one installer for it. And then you run that installer, or open, depending on what browser you're using, and it will pop up a window like this. And it basically runs through and updates every single thing that you said you had. So what's nice is you can choose everything that you either have or want. So if it's a new computer and you want to speed up setting it up, or if you have a lot of these things on your computer and you want to make sure they're up to date, you can take that installer, save it to your desktop, save it to a documents folder, put it somewhere, and then run that once a week, once a month, manually. Just go double click on it and it will update every one of those programs, so you know you'll always have the most up-to-date Java for security purposes, although we want everybody to get rid of Java, but you have to have it for certain websites still. You will always have the up-to-date browsers, right? Chrome, Firefox. Always have the most up-to-date Dropbox installer if you're a Dropbox user. Google Earth, all those other things. I'll pull up the page again so you can see all the stuff, or you can go to Nightlight as well, but all of these things will stay up to date on your machine, which is kind of nice, right? So it's just a handy site. Again, we have it for we have 300 machines plus 330, 340 somewhere in there under our watch as providers. So we use the automated version, the version that allows you to script and do some neat back-end things, so you can do groups of machines, and maybe this client has this and this client has this, but this client definitely doesn't want Google Earth or Dropbox on their machine. So it makes our job easier to manage those environments. It's a back end. So if you're an ISP or an MSP watching this, you should go check that out. There's some cost involved for sure. It's a few $100s a month. I think it's, the price was up there. I don't remember what it said, but let me just take a quick peek for if you have over 250 machines, so up to 1,000, it's $365 a month. So there's some cost for sure, but it gives a great deal of flexibility. But for those of you watching that just have a machine, 2 or 3 machines maybe, and you want the same software on them, all right? Now, it's not going to do paid stuff. It's not going to do Microsoft Office. It's not going to do WordPerfect or things like that, paid software. It's for the free software that's out on the internet anyway that you can go download, but rather than going to 50 different places, 60, 70 different places to download it, having to go to the Java website to download Java, the Google website to download Chrome, the Malwarebytes website, the Dropbox website, the Qt PDF website. And in each of those times you're going to those sites, by the way, there's a chance you'll hit a malicious site that is supposed to look like the thing you're trying to download, and maybe isn't. So this is a safe, seamless, convenient way to get everything that you need on your machine that's free with 1 or 2 clicks. You walk away, you grab a cup of coffee, you go out and you shovel, which is what we're going to be doing tomorrow, and you let software install while you're doing something else. If you have any questions about this or anything else, we love to hear from people. Drop us a line at helpdesk@verandatech.com. You can always call me directly, 732-743-5772. Find us online, facebook.com/verandatech or verandatech.com. Have a wonderful week. Stay warm and dry. We'll see you next time on Tech Talk Tuesday.